Snow picking up in parts of the metro. Fox 25's Grant Palmer joins us live from Edmond. Grant, tell us how conditions are looking where you are.
Well, Wendy, it's a completely different story from how it was, at 5 and 5:30. Back then, we weren't seeing anything coming down. We were seeing a little snow flurries, like Rob said, in Oklahoma City, but nothing in Edmond. And as you can see now, that is a much different story. We have snow coming down at a steady rate, steady pace, not too heavy, but it is not letting up. And, more than that, it's also accumulating. I mean, it's pretty packed on the roads. Let's see, would I be able to make a snowball? Not quite enough snow to make a snowball, but, obviously we are set to get plenty more snow this weekend, so I'm sure everyone who wants to play in the snow will be able to make plenty of snowballs, as we're expected to get a lot. But yeah, has certainly picked up here in Edmond, and only more on the way. Wendy, back to you.